Tonight on Dispatch 101, your layout photos and some important announcements coming right up. You're watching Dispatch, the variety show for model railroaders. I'm Roy Smith, your host. Let's begin with your layout photos. Photos of other people's layouts inspire you and give you ideas for your layout. Here's how it works. You post photos of your layouts in our Facebook group. Then I bring your photos over here to Dispatch to share with everyone during the show. And here they are, some of the photos you posted in the Facebook group since the last edition of Dispatch. After Dispatch ends tonight, I invite you to go over to the Facebook group, browse around and see what's going on in the group, and post a photo of your layout there. I will put a link to the group down below. You will know you have arrived at the Facebook group when you see this photo at Echo Canyon on my layout. And now some announcements. I hope Santa brought you lots of train stuff for Christmas. These are the gifts I received. As you can see, nearly all of them are train-related. I'd like to draw your attention to two of them. First, this new book by Tony Coaster called Alan McClellan and His Virginian and Ohio. This book describes Alan's famous layout in detail. In a future video, I hope to tell you how articles about Allen's layout in Model Railroader magazine influenced my experience in the hobby, and why books like this one are so valuable to us model railroaders. The second gift I'd like to draw your attention to is this WFD30 NCE cab bus Wi-Fi interface. Once I hook it up to my layout, I will be able to run trains using my iPhone without having to go through JMRI to do so. I plan to show you how I install it and how I will use it to run trains in a future video. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't done it yet, so that you don't miss any upcoming videos like these. And Santa, I'm waiting for a Cato big boy. And speaking of Christmas gifts, Mr. Just In Case, the world's foremost authority in model railroading, is joining us tonight for the first time in a long time to make a Christmas gift suggestion. Well, howdy. I'm down here in my workshop right now, and I just wanted to stop by to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. Also, I stopped by because I heard there's a giving away free coffee and donuts here. Justin, tell us about your Christmas gift suggestion. Well, I'm a little late for Christmas, but then I'm always a day late and $1 short. Anyhow, if you're still looking for the perfect Christmas gift for that there model railroader in your life, or if you just want to buy a gift for yourself, I'd like to suggest real rail nippers. That's right, real rail nippers. Most people still use these chintzy rail nippers like these when they're laying out their old-fashioned flex track. Well, get yourself some real rail nippers, either for yourself or for that model railroader in your life. Real rail nippers like these. No more messing around when you gotta be cutting your flex track. You can buy these here rail nippers direct from me for just $249. Now it's a real bargain at twice that price. You better order them today though, because they won't last. Well, Justin, thanks for that suggestion. I'm sure every model railroader could use a set of your rail nippers. And thanks for stopping by. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Mr. Just In Case. Hopefully he'll be back soon to share more of his wisdom and experience in the hobby with us. I would like to thank all of you who have subscribed to this channel, and those of you who have commented on my videos throughout the year. I believe that sharing the hobby is the best part of model railroading, and you have given me the opportunity to share it with you. Now then, if you still haven't seen my recent video called My N-Scale Layout, then you can watch it just by clicking on it over here. As always, I'm Roy Smith. Until next time, happy railroading.